Hi, welcome to Geterbrewed. Today I'm in the hop fridge and I want to take a few seconds of your time just to tell you about hops that we get really excited about. So Hop Products Australia, Aussie hops, Australian hops, we believe they're the rock stars of the hop world. We believe they're the very best hops that you can get. Now we're very privileged to get access to these, and we're very privileged to work with the Barth Haas group, who have Hop Products Australia as part of their portfolio of companies and hops. So one of the things that we did in March 2019 was we visited the hop farms in Australia. Thanks so much to the Barth Haas group and to Simply Hops for hosting that and for taking us. It was such a memorable experience. I don't think we'll ever forget it. One of the things that we got to try while we were there was this product here, HPA 016, now being released commercially as Eclipse. Now we were on the hop breeding garden. We got to go down and witness this hop. The first time it was being commercially available in trials, being harvested, we were drinking like just real sessionable, easy going beers, and got to drop some of the hops fresh off the bines into the glass, watch the oils diffusing in the beer, got to open up the hop cones fresh off the vine, smell them, get immersed in the sensory experience that it was, and immediately I got really excited about this hop. It was pure mandarin, a little bit of pine needles, and that real citrusy punch that everybody gets excited about with hops. So we're going to be talking a lot about Eclipse. We're going to be doing collaboration brews with the best breweries. We're going to be showcasing it. If you want to try this hop, we strongly suggest you try it now. There's limited amounts available this year in the 2020 crop, and we've already secured some more volumes for next year. We're excited about the hop, we're excited about this range, and we want you guys to try it. This is a sample of the new Eclipse hops. The smell is, smell-o-vision. How do I get the smell across to you? So if you're a brewer and you're interested in trying this out, reach out to us, we'll get you a sample pack out. You can get the smell for yourself. It's pure mandarin. To me, that's what I'm getting. Mandarin, citrus, a little bit of pine needles. Outstanding, genuinely outstanding. Sometimes it's difficult to get, it's hard to get the sensory experience to you over the camera. Like, I visited the hop farm, was there during harvest, picked hops, broke open the actual hop flower, leaf hop, whatever your description is for that particular part of the hop, and got to smell it, taste it. That sensory experience is really hard to replicate. So if you get a sample of hops, don't spill them all over your hop fridge, you know. So if you get a sample of hops and take them out, take a small section into your hand, you can see that these are bright green, strong pellets. You want to get them and break them up a little bit more to try and release more of that aroma and release more so that you can get a true feeling of what they're like. This is amazing. I mean, genuinely amazing. We know that Australian hops are the rock stars of the hop world. Galaxy has led the way. It's like, for so long it's been hard to get access to Galaxy in the volumes that we wanted. It's now getting the same way with all of these Australian hop varieties. Side note, it's a good time to contract. A lot of people are wary about contracts, but if you want access to the most sought after hops in the world, it makes sense to secure access to them with a contract. Not a sales pitch from me. You try and get this stuff if you don't work with us, and you'll find it increasingly difficult to get access to. So it's in the interest of the brewer to contract, it's in the interest of the farmer to contract, and we want you to get access to the best hops in the world. These are the best hops in the world, and we're confident, and it's backed up with a Barth Haas guarantee. So reach out, check it out, give us a message below, give us an email, check us out on social media, whatever your platform is for engaging. Join in, check this hop out. Yeah, unbelievable. It is good though, isn't it? What do you think?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It smells incredible.
Yeah.